Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to pair Bluetooth in your Subaru Forester. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is on. You'll also want your mobile device nearby, with its Bluetooth feature turned on and set to discoverable. Look for the phone or Bluetooth button on your car's audio system. This is where we will begin our pairing journey. It's a straightforward process that will connect your phone in just a few simple steps. Now, let's get your car ready for pairing. Press the phone button on your audio system to bring up the Bluetooth menu on your display screen. From there, you will see an option to add device or pair device. Select this to proceed. Once you've done that, your Subaru system will begin searching and become discoverable to your mobile phone, preparing for the connection. With your car now discoverable, it's time to connect from your phone. Go into your phone settings and find the Bluetooth menu. You should see a list of available devices. Look for your car's name, which is typically something like Subaru BT or Hands-Free Link. Once you spot it, simply tap on that name to begin the connection process from your mobile device. This step brings us very close to a successful pairing. For the final step, a pairing code will appear on both your car's display and your phone screen. It is crucial to verify that these two codes match exactly to ensure a secure connection. Once you've confirmed they are identical, accept or confirm the connection on both your car's system and your mobile device. Congratulations, your Bluetooth is now successfully paired, allowing for hands-free calls and audio streaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.